Okay, students, welcome back. In the last video, we had seen that Dr. Sadav was telling to this soldier about to getting back his strength. He saw the flicker of terror in the young when he told him that you should get your strength back very fast. He saw the flicker. Then, when he thanked him, he again told, "Don't thank me too early." Sadav said coldly. He saw the flicker of terror again. The boy's eyes, terror as unmistakable as animal. जैसे जानवर होता है, स्पेशली इफ यू सी रैट और डियर, उनके जो आँख होते हैं, आँखों में एकदम डर होता है कि कोई पकड़ नहीं ले, कोई अटैक नहीं कर दे. ओके, और तभी उसकी नज़र दो स्कार्स पे गई जो हैना ने भी देखी थी, बट ही आल्सो डिडंट आस्क एनीथिंग अबाउट दोज. इन द आफ्टरनून वन थिंग हैपेंड. द हैना वर्किंग हार्ड एंड कस्टमर लेबर सो अ मैसेंजर. हैना क्योंकि उसको वो काम नहीं करती थी एंड शी यूज्ड टू डू स्मॉल वर्क्स ऑफ द हाउस होल्ड. अब यहाँ पे बिकॉज द सर्वेंट्स वर नॉट दैट, शी हैड टू वर्क. And when she was working, she saw a messenger in a uniform, official uniform. Her hands went weak. और जैसे ही ये देखा, उसका हाथ एकदम से कांपने लग गए कि might servants have told, informed the police, and the servants must have told already. She ran to Sadav, gasping, unable to utter a word. But by then the messenger had simply followed. वो भाग के सड़क के पास जा रही थी कि मैं उसको बताऊं कि एक यूनिफॉर्म में एक मैसेंजर आ रहा है. बट जब तक वो वहाँ पहुँची, मैसेंजर भी वहीं पहुँच गया. शी कुड नॉट से एनीथिंग, जस्ट टू पॉइंट एट द मैसेंजर कि ही इज़ देयर. सड़व लुक्ड अप फ्रॉम द हिज बुक. और डॉक्टर सड़व, he was reading some book in his office. Office is particularly the other partition which was thrown open to the garden for the southern sunshine. What is it? और ऐसा देखा कि क्या है, and asked the messenger, and then he rose and then he got up, and because of the man was in uniform. You are to come to the palace. The man said the old general is in pain again. अब वो कहता है कि जो old general है उसको फिर से पेन है, and you have to come into the palace. हैना ब्रीथ. और जैसे ही ये सुना, हैना ने रिलीफ की सांस ली कि चलो अच्छा है. दैट मीन्स सर्वेंट्स हैव नॉट इन्फॉर्म्ड येट. तो अब उसको शी टोल्ड ओके दैट्स ऑल. एंड जैसे उसने ये कहा, द मैसेंजर आल्सो, इट इज नॉट इनफ. एंड ऑल, इज इट नॉट इनफ? इंडीड इट इज. आई एम वेरी सॉरी. और फिर सड़व. And when Sadav came to say goodbye to Hannah while leaving for the palace to see the general, तब वो उनके पास आया. The children were asleep and she sat merely resting for a moment. वो चुपचाप बैठी हुई थी. She was resting, more exhausted from her fright. Exhaustion जो था, थकान, ये जो मैसेंजर आया था उसका जो डर हुआ था उसको, उससे ज़्यादा थी than from the work. I thought they had come to arrest you. और फिर वो सड़व से कहती है कि मेरे को लगा कि वो तुम्हें अरेस्ट करने आए हैं. He gazed down at her anxious eyes. और जैसी आंखों में देखा that terror, he said, I must get rid of this man for your sake. He said in distress. Somehow I must get rid of him. बोला कैसे ना कैसे करके मैं इसको छुटकारा पाना चाहता हूँ, बस तुम्हारे लिए. बिकॉज हैना वॉज अफ्रेड कि कहीं कुछ हो नहीं जाए. ओके, एंड देन द नेक्स्ट द नेक्स्ट सीन इज एट डॉक्टर सडाव हैव ऑपरेटेड द जनरल एंड नाउ ही इज टॉकिंग टू द जनरल आफ्टर ही इज हैव रिकवर्ड समवॉट. ओके, now let us see. Of course, Of course, the general said weakly, because he had been operated, and he said, of course, the general said weakly, I understand fully. That means Sadao have told each and everything about this prisoner of war who was washed out in front of his house and informed everything, and now he also, general says that I understand what is your situation. I once took a degree in Princeton, so few Japanese have. I can nothing up. Dr. Sadao is explaining that I don't care anything about that person, but having operated on him with such success, but since I have operated on him with such a success, just yes, general said, it only makes me feel you more indispensable to me. बोला इसीलिए मैं I cannot afford that you should part with me. Okay, it only makes, evidently you can save anyone's life, और तुम तो किसी की भी लाइफ बचा सकते हो. And you are so skilled. You say you think I can stand one more such attack as I have had today, and then in this particular position it was that this attack had come, and after examination Dr. Sadao had told him that only one more attack of such kind you can survive. If it comes again, then your chances of being alive are very less. Okay, I can stand one more such attack as I had today, not more than one. Dr. Sadao confirmed it, not more than one. Then certainly I can allow nothing to happen to you. Then general said, then I cannot think anything about you happening to you, like being arrested or being sentenced to death or something like that happen to you. The general एकदम सोचने लग गया, and this expression thought that he was in deep thoughts. You cannot be arrested, confirmed. The general said, closing his eyes, suppose you were condemned to death because you have harbored a prisoner of war enemy in your house, you have treated him, and the court will just see this and they may court martial him and sentence him to the death. Okay, in such condition, if the next day I had to have my operation, और अगले ही दिन उनका ऑपरेशन होना, तो कोई उसको बचा नहीं पाएगा. बट सडाउ सेड देयर आर अदर सर्जन्स एक्सीलेंसी. सडाउ कहता है बहुत दूसरे सर्जन्स भी है सर. नॉन आई ट्रस्ट, बट जनरल डोंट ट्रस्ट ऑन एनीबडी. ही जस्ट बिलीव्स ऑन सडाउ बिकॉज द अदर्स आर बीन ट्रेन, द बेस्ट वंस हैव बीन ट्रेन्ड बाय जर्मन्स एंड वुड कंसिडर द ऑपरेशन सक्सेसफुल even if I died. I do not care for their point of view. बोला कि जो दूसरे हैं they are from Germany trained doctors, and he doesn't believe them because Germans are ruthless. They don't have sentiments. It seems a pity that we cannot better combine the German ruthlessness with the American sentimentality. Americans are sentimental and Germans are ruthless, and here the general believes more on sentiments than on ruthlessness, because even if it is killed he doesn't bother. But here for his case he only believes on Sadao, who is sentimental. Okay, sentimentally attached with the general. Then you could turn your prisoner over to execution, and yet I could be sure you would not murder me while I was unconscious. So this is the belief that he have in Dr. Sadao. Even if the prisoner is been turned to the authorities, even after that he believes that Dr. Sadao will not kill him when he is unconscious. The general laughed. He had an unusual sense of humor. As a Japanese, could you not combine? Then he requested Dr. Sadao that as a Japanese you should combine both these foreign elements. One is German ruthlessness and the other is American sentimentality. Okay, Sarao said, I will try. I am not quite sir, but for your sake I would willing to try, Excellency. And as soon as he told, General told that this is all humor. Okay, and General said that don't try on me. Don't try. I had rather not be the test case. He said he felt suddenly weak and overwhelmed with the cares of his life. As an official in times such as these, when repeated victory brought great responsibility. See, in the World War II, at this position, the Japan was continuously going on winning, and these winnings brought responsibilities on general. Okay, and if you remember, the Japanese army was almost on the front of this our Assam border, Assam Arunachal Pradesh border. Okay, and these all victories brought great responsibility all over the south. It is very unfortunate that this man, now the general says that it is very unfortunate that this man should have washed up your doorsteps. बोला ये बहुत ही अनफॉर्चुनेट है कि ये आदमी तुम्हारे यहीं बह के आया है. And this man should have washed to your doorsteps. He said irritably. ही थोड़ा सा एकदम खींच आ रही थी कि ये ऐसा क्यों हुआ. I feel it so myself. Dr. Sarao said, मेरे को भी ऐसा ही लग रहा है. It would be best if he could be quietly killed. Now General said, the best thing will be he should be quietly killed. And how it is that? Not by you. In fact, Dr. Sarao will not do this thing. Okay, he will just planning. Not by you. I have my own private assassins. He says that I have my own private assassins. Assassins बेटा एक्चुअली में वो होते हैं जो they kill for money or they are for some servants of the government and they kill the person whom it is been assigned. Sorry, something went wrong. I will just getting back. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, here. Private assassin. Suppose I send 2 of them to your house tonight, and suppose General said that I sent 2 of them to your house. अब अगर 2 तुम्हारे घर पे आते हैं, मे बी tonight or better some other night, and he doesn't want to disclose to Sarao when they are coming. Any night, you need not know nothing about it. It is now warm, or because the summer have started and it is warm, so you have to keep the outer portion. Leave the outer portion of the white man's room open to the garden while he sleeps. Certainly it would be very natural. Sarao कहता है कि बहुत ही natural होगा. In fact, it is so left open every night. Good. The general said, yawning. They are very capable assassins. They make no noise and they know the trick of inward bleeding. In fact, these assassins have such a assault on a person, make an assault on a person that there is no bleeding outside. Inside, it goes on bleeding. Okay. Now, certainly it would be a very natural. In fact, it is left. They make no noise and inward. If you like, I can even General suggests that if Sarao wants, he can even remove the body. After killing the person, they will take the body and dispose it anywhere. Sarao considered this very good. That perhaps would be the best, Excellency. And he was thinking of Hannah. कि Hannah क्या सोचेगी अगर मरा हुआ मिला तो. Okay, so he considered this option about removing the body. That is the best. He left General's presence and went home thinking over the plan. In this way, the whole thing would be taken out of his hand. The assassins will come, they will kill this white man, and they will take the white man's body and dispose it. and so in this such case everything would be taken care and removed from his hands. He had not to worry. He would tell Hannah nothing, since she would be timid at the idea of assassins in the house, and in fact he decided that he would not disclose anything about this to Hannah, because she might be afraid that assassins are coming in their house, and yet certainly such persons are essential. He thought over it that such persons are essential in controlling moving of the government, absolute state such as Japan was. How else would ruler deal with those who oppose them? How can they take care of this who oppose the government? Okay, now he refused to allow anything but reasons and by atmosphere of his mind as he went into the room where the American was in bed. He did not give any reasons, and he was just thinking, today or tomorrow I will be getting free from this person. He refused to allow anything. And then when he went into the room where the American was in bed, but as he opened the door, to his surprise he found the young man. अभी तक डॉक्टर सड़व ये सोच रहे थे कि वो लेटा रहेगा, बट now when he went to see him, on his surprise he found the young man out of the bed and preparing to go in the garden. और ये आदमी गार्डन जाने की तैयारी कर रहा था. He was just walking. What is this? He exclaimed. एकदम सरप्राइज थे डॉक्टर सड़व कि ये चल रहा है. Who gave you permission to leave your room? और एकदम कि किसने दिया तुम्हें परमिशन रूम छोड़ने का? और जैसे उसने ये सुना टॉम ने, I am not used to waiting for permission, Tom said gaily. Gosh, I feel pretty good again, but will the muscles on this side feel stiff? अब वो कहता है कि मेरे को परमिशन की जरूरत नहीं, and I am all right, but there is a little bit stiffness on the muscles. और जैसे डॉक्टर सड़व, we know that he is totally engrossed in the this medicines. Whenever he is doing operation, he is totally forgetting everything. Here also, as soon as he told, will the muscle on this side feel stiff? It is so, Sadav inquired. Surprised, he forgot all else. How I thought I had provided against that, he murmured. He lifted the edge of the man's shirt and gazed at the healing. और शर्ट उठा के देखता है कि जो वुंड है वो हील हो रहा है, वहाँ पे देखा. And he diagnosed it that massage may do it. You have to do a little, but if exercise doesn't give you relief, do some massage. It won't bother me much, the man said. His young face was gaunt under the stubbly blonde beard. और उसने कहा कि वैसे तो ज़्यादा तकलीफ नहीं देगा. And then, say doctor, I have got something I want to say to you. और फिर वो कहता है कि मेरे को आपको कुछ कहना है. There is something. That is, if I hadn't met a Jap like you, well, I wouldn't be alive today. Now he says that if I hadn't met a Japanese like you, I wouldn't be alive. That is the real. If Dr. Sadav was not, he had not cured him, he would have died, because bleeding was there, gun wound was there, bullet was inside, and Dr. Sadav did not say, he just bowed. Sure, I know that. And his big thin gripping, और जैसे ऐसे चेयर पकड़ा तो यहाँ पे जो नकल्स होते हैं ये एकदम वाइटिश दिख रहे थे उसके. And I guess if all Japs are like you, there wouldn't be a war. In fact, he told one more thing, that if all Japanese were like you, there wouldn't be any war in the world. Okay, perhaps. And Sadav said perhaps, and now I think you better go. He doesn't want to continue the conversation, so he says, you better go to the bed. He held the boy back into the bed and then bowed, good night, he said. और फिर उसको गुड नाइट कह के वो वहाँ से चले गए. That night, Sadhu could not sleep, slept badly that night. Okay, why? Because there was in his mind that assassins will come and they will kill this guy and they will take his body. Time and time again he woke thinking he heard the rustling of the footsteps, the sound of the big twig broken or a stone displayed. He was just thinking that the assassins are coming, they have placed they have come from the top of a wall, the stone have fallen, all this, and because of that he was continuously waking up at small things and which were in fact not happening. The man might make who carried a burden. The next morning he made the excuse to go first into the guest room. और अगले दिन वो पहले गए गेस्ट रूम में एंड व्हाट ही सॉ गेस्ट रूम इफ द अमेरिकन वाज गॉन. अब उनका विचार ये था कि अगर ये अमेरिकन चला गया, द अमेरिकन वाज गॉन, देन ही वुड सिंपली टेल हैना दैट द जनरल हैड डायरेक्टेड. अगर वो अमेरिकन को बॉडी डिस्पोज हो गई तब वो हैना को बस यही बोलेंगे कि जनरल had directed this all thing. Okay, and but when the door opened he saw at once that there on the pillow was a shaggy blonde head. He was sleeping soundly on the pillow. He could hear the peaceful breathing of sleep and he closed the door again quietly. He is asleep, he told Hannah. और Hannah को आके कहते हैं, he told Hannah कि वो सो रहा है, एकदम ऐसा सो रहा है, he is almost well, एकदम, because he is sleeping soundly. What shall we do with him? Hannah whispered her old refrain. और वही पुरानी परेशानी कि क्या किया जाए इसके साथ. Sadhu shook his head. I must decide in a day or two, he promised. But certainly he thought the second night must be the night. There rose a wind that night, and he listened to the sound of the bending bows and whistling partition. Hannah woke up. और अगले दिन right, first night तो कुछ नहीं हुआ, so second night he thought that assassins will be coming, but the second night it was windy, the wind was blowing, there was noise being made by the bending boughs, that is the plants जो वो हैं coconut trees, और in fact he listened to the sound of bending boughs and whistling partitions, जो पार्टीशन के बीच में से हवा आती है उसके. Hannah woke too, और Hannah भी जग गई. Out we not go and close the sick man's partition. और फिर वो पार्टीशन बंद करने जाने वाली थी जहाँ से हमें ये पता है assassins आएंगे. And Sadhu said no, he is able. और Sadhu ने कहा कि नहीं, वो कर सकता है, he because he is moving, he can do if he requires. But next morning the American was still there. Then the third night of course must be the night. और तीसरी रात शायद वो रात हो जब वो assassins आए. And on the third night it started raining. The wind changed and garden was full of sound of dripping waves and running springs. ऊपर से जो पानी बह के आ रहा है वो सब की आवाज़ आ रही. Sadhu slept a little better because of the cold temperature, but he woke at the sound of the crash and leaped to his feet. और एकदम से तभी कुछ गिरने की आवाज़ आई and he stood up. What was that? Hannah भी जग गई. और जैसे ही Hannah ने कहा what was that, the baby who was sleeping between them woke at her voice and began to wail. I must go and see. और वो जाने लगी तभी, but he held her hand. उसने उसका हाथ पकड़ लिया कि नहीं, please don't go. What is the matter with you? Don't go, he muttered. Don't go. Her terror infected her and she stood breathless, waiting. There was only silence. अब वो एकदम से डर गई कि ऐसा क्या है, डॉक्टर Sadhu क्यों कह रहे हैं कि मत जाओ. Together they crept back into the bed and the baby between them. Yet when he opened the door of the guest room in the morning, there was the young man. He was very gay and had already washed and was now on his feet. और अगले दिन सुबह जब वो वहाँ देखने गया तो he was there, he was in room, he had shaved because he had asked for the shaving kit yesterday and he had asked for the razor yesterday and shaved himself, and today there was a faint color of his cheek. I am well. और वो बहुत खुश होके कहता है कि मैं एकदम ठीक हूँ. And Sadhu drew his kimonos, उसका जो कपड़ा है वो ऐसा, and he could not, he decided suddenly, go through another night. It was not that he cared for this young man's life, no, simply it was not worth the strain. अब डॉक्टर सड़ाउ डिसाइडेड समथिंग, वो और टेंशन नहीं ले सकते हैं. एंड फाइनली ही डिसाइडेड दैट ही हैव टू डू समथिंग हिमसेल्फ. इट इज नॉट दैट ही केयर्ड फॉर दिस वाइट मैन्स लाइफ, इट वॉज बिकॉज ही कुड नॉट टेक द स्ट्रेन. स्ट्रेन यानी टेंशन नहीं ले सकते हैं. ओके, दैट वॉज द till this video. In the next video we will see the next part of this particular chapter. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.